Hey guys, how are you all? I'm here to do a short video. Just kind of go over some key points here. Kixeye will be soon be releasing Command Center 17 and other possibly buildings and their levels. I just want to kind of show you all that you can kind of check to see, what buildings and such that you can look at yourself. So let's get started. Uh, I don't know if I cleared the cache on, so I can clear the cache. Alright, so let's go ahead and reopen Opera. Open up Filler. Move all that bullshit. Alright, so there we go. It's loaded. Kixeye banned my main permanently banned, so I just have tons of alts over the years, so I'm just using that to hack. It's alright, but alright, so what we are looking for is something, a data file. So that's what we want to look for. So let's get started. Go ahead and play the game. This is technically not cheating, um, since we are basically, all we're doing is just looking at a data file that the game downloads. It's going to be a minute. I have a little bit of slow internet, but the data files won't show up till probably right about toward the end, right before your base is loaded. This is, yes, of course, HTML5. It's not Flash. This is HTML5. And you can confirm that by going to searching for Word Commander. And you should see the game in JavaScript here. Uh, or any other kind of, thing here. I don't know. Look at all these. One of the game loads just so much here. Just so much, and it's ridiculous. It's like, oh my god. Like, that's bullshit, guys. Alright, so the data file should have already loaded. Let me Google. Not yet. Alright. Last time they didn't either. Alright. Those offers. Yep, you bullshit. Yep. Alright, so click all that shit. Go back to data. Maybe if I go. No, they should have. It should still be there. Maybe it just hasn't all loaded yet. Go it around, move it around. Yeah, not everything's loaded. Everything's still loading because you should have like a bunch of these zipped files. So everything is still trying to. There we go. See how everything just added? That's because everything's still not downloaded. So let's go into data file again. There we are. Alright, so buildings here. You see these manifests? We're going to click on the buildings. We're going to copy the URL and go over here. We'll paste and go. Let's drag that all the way over to here. Alright. So then let's open up CMD. We're gonna CD desktop clear. We're gonna look at what we have in directories. We have, where are we? There's that. So we need to go. What we need to do is Python d.py, and then drag this file on here. enter. And we should now have a data.dnc file, which is right here. So if let's say we open up Notepad and then we drag DNC on there, we now can see all the buildings. And then let's look command center. Levels. Alright, so technically the levels here, they just kind of show you, you know, you have to follow along because you don't know. It doesn't say level 1, level 2. Some do, but not all. So it's a guessing game a little bit. ID, I think this should be it. So we got levels 1. So each category here, like this one, is 1 level. 2. So in that case, what we're gonna do is, since we have here, this says, I think this is level 1. Levels. Oh no, this can't be it. No. Alright. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Go like this, because this will make my life easier. 5. 5. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Alright. So that first one was a level. This one is not. So they have not added the level yet. With that being said, have a good one, guys. And don't have too much fun.